Akai GX-630D-SS quad deck. It's making this clicking noise here. So I have to investigate. I don't know if it's a common problem. Oh, it does it when it's going fast forward. Maybe it's a solenoid. Anyway, I'll check that out, see what's going on.